Hi. Using categories is a great way to quickly show what subjects your emails, calendar items, and contacts fall into. In the calendar view, you can see a variety of types of items that are categorized, such as business, personal, and finances. To assign a category to an email, click the message, Categorize. Pick a category. When you first open Outlook, the categories are named generically by color. The first time you choose a category, Outlook will allow you to rename it. You can change the name at any time. From the toolbar, select Categorize all categories. Choose a category and rename it. Assign multiple categories to an item by returning to pick a second category. Click the message. Select Categorize. Pick the category. Both categories are now shown in the reading pane and message list. Several more can also be added. You can see up to 2 categories on the message pane at any one time, but all categories are shown on the preview pane. For calendar entries, follow the same process. To categorize an existing entry, click the entry, Categorize, select your category. Adding a flag to an email allows you to set a follow-up reminder. First, select the flag in the message list, then select the message. Follow up, add reminder, pick the time, date and type of reminder you want. If you flag an item as a reply, you'll receive a reminder at the time specified. The reminder now shows in the reading pane directly under the subject line of your message. Thank you.